Hello.
How are you?
Good. How are you?
You from?
I'm from Europe. Where are you from? From Bali?
Bali,
Jimbaran?
yeah.
From Jimbaran?
Bali, Jimbaran.
Very nice. God bless.
Thank you.
Thank you. Hello world. Siema, dzień dobry wszystkim. How you doing? I hope so you're keeping well, guys. Just another day in Bali. Just heading to the beach. Local beach, very local vibes here in Bali, Indonesia. Obviously, if you don't know, suddenly just found this video. Oh, here we go. This is the beach. The weather today is really not so good. It seems like it wants to be rainy all day long, but it's actually no rainy at all. So, also don't feeling pretty well today. I mean, like little bit not in the best mood. Sometimes you're not gonna be always in the great mood, right? So here we go. Let's check this out. What's going on the beach today? So this is the Jimbaran Bay. But the Four Seasons and Jimbaran Bay is at the front over there, but here is more likely local warung swipe. You can buy coconut or you can buy some bintang. As you see, somebody coming here already with the bintang in their hand, so that's the very local vibe for just chilling and having some peaceful drink. Also, it's very high tide today by the beach. Check this out. Maybe I'm gonna have a radler today or coconut. Let's see. This lady is cutting coconut already for somebody. You can buy also lumpia from the guy like this one who is just coming. Also people enjoying their time by the beach. Very high tide, and I think there was some ceremony here. Let's see how does it look like today vibe. Like I said, it's quiet, high tide, middle, high, but yeah. Whew. So good to be on the beach, little bit of the fresh air, little breeze from the ocean. Some local warungs. I'm gonna usually having a drink in this warung over here at the front. Some of this or this one, they are two actually. And at the front they are restaurants selling seafood fishes, any kind of seafood. Usually very busy, but well, suddenly after Bali is reopened again, and except this one flight from Japan, from Tokyo, I don't know if any other flights arrived to Bali. There was only 6 people on this flight, actually 12, but 6 Japanese and 6 local Indonesians. So seems like it's middle of February, already middle of February 2022, and actually it's kind of quiet, I could say, not really busy. Looking for the restaurants. There are obviously some people buying guests there, but really not so many. This is the guy selling the corn. As always. Actually, the vibe is very similar, like every time. How are you, handsome? All good? All good today, yeah? Business all good, yeah?
Oh, little bit quiet.
Little bit quiet. Raining time.
But I see you very handsome today.
You too. Thank you. Good. With little joke. This is only joking, obviously. He's saying always like that. Handsome and beautiful. Depends if you're a lady or man. Always better laugh than cry, especially as we can see. Weather is not so good today. The beach situation is so, and the warung situation is pretty sad, pretty quiet. Well, only good news is that the beach is definitely more quiet, more clean actually, not even quieter, but more clean than I was here last time. Anyway, this is Jimbaran, just on the other side from the airport, just actually next village from Kuta, but just on the other side from the airport. And this area is very famous for the local vibes like this one, and of course you can having seafood dinner. In normal conditions used to be so busy, especially right now. It's 5:30, something like that, sunset time. Supposed to be extremely super busy, but not anymore because of the current situation. Also, many people asking me why it's so quiet. Yeah, because of the current situation. Little local vibe. I'm gonna have a drink. Summer here, something. Let's see. Cheers, guys. Just got my radar. They still have it in Jimbaran because in Kuta last time they didn't have it. So Cheers, guys. Also, in normal conditions, you can face the sunset somewhere over there, but unfortunately not today. But still great vibe just to having a chill, even it's cloudy and maybe not so busy, but still very warm and very enjoyable, that's for sure. Actually, it's not just warm, it's still very hot, and the iPhone gonna show you the forecast for 30 degree, but actually it's slightly more, maybe 32, even it's cloudy. So imagine when it's sunny and the sun is facing you, the heat is like 35 or more. It's really hot in Bali. No matter whenever you're gonna come to Bali, winter time, summertime, rain season, dry season, will be always very hot, especially in the South Bali. So some kids have a birthday party here, so that's good as people are still socializing and going out, not only staying home. It's not gonna be sunset. Yo, what's up, little doggo? Just very peaceful local vibe in Jimbaran. Also some foreigners living here in the area around. Well, accommodation in Jimbaran is one of the cheapest in South Bali. So I think this is also a great area if you consider to having a cheaper accommodation or even cheaper land. Well, just only interesting fact, maybe for some of you, they also have a lifeguard, so you can swim kinda safely around. And yeah, I think it's time to go home, but slowly I'm gonna show you a little bit of the local vibe here. Still on the way. Whew. Not the best weather, however, the vibe is always great. Always great to be here. Hello. There's even little traffic jam. I think somebody go wrong way. This is one-way road system, but sometimes people driving both ways, so you can park your motorbike or car. And this is the entrance to the beach where I just was today. I'm sorry if I'm not super happy on today's video. Sometimes you are not in the best mood. Like, this is the life. I'm not making fake. You know how is it? You know me already, many of you from 2 years. Whatever happened, sometimes we are just human. Sometimes happy, sometimes sad. Somebody say, yo, what's up? Anyway, thank you so much for watching today's video. I'm just watching the traffic, what's going on. And as always, I will see you next one. See ya, take care.